everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jaime and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There! Now we're ready to begin. And today we've got a special adventure based on Super Mario, which is why I'm wearing my red cap and my moustache. Let's begin with a Mario pose. We come up to stand and we take one leg up in front of us. We take our arm up over our head, our other arm behind, and we say, Wahoo! Very good, everyone. Now Mario lives in the Mushroom Kingdom with his brother, Luigi. Let's stand tall, take our arms wide and give Luigi a big hug, wrapping him up. Let's go, Luigi. Now Mario and Luigi love to eat pizza. So let's make one. We sit down on our bottoms and take our legs out long. Now we need to lay out the base. Let's pat it down. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. Now, it needs some tomato sauce. So let's take our arms out wide. We twist all the way round to one side and we get our tomato sauce. Here it is. Let's squidge it on. There we are. Now let's spread it. Spread it, spread it, spread it. Now it needs some cheese. Arms wide again. We twist the other way and we get our cheese. Here it is. Let's sprinkle it on. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Arms wide. We twist again. Let's get some pepperoni. We get the pepperoni and we need to chop it. Here we go. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Arms wide again. We twist the other way and we get some olives. Getting our olives. Let's put them on with a plop, plop, plop. Here we go. Plop, 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 plop. Plop, 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 plop. Oh, delicious. Now it cooks. And after it's ready, we cross our legs. We fold all the way forwards onto our elbows and we gobble it all up. Ooh, hoo-hoo! That was delicious. We rub our hand on our tummy and we pat our heads at the same time. Now, Mario and Luigi have lots of friends in the Mushroom Kingdom. There's Toad and Toadette. Oh, and Princess Peach. Let's do our Princess Peach pose. Taking our legs out long, we swish them round one way, we bring one hand on our knee, one hand behind, we look over our shoulder, we look back to the front and we say, hurrah for our hero Mario. Then we swish our legs round the other way, take our hand onto our knee, our other hand behind, look over our shoulder, look back to the front and we say, hurrah for our hero Luigi. Now their big enemy is Bowser, a very greedy and mean turtle with spikes on his shell. Let's do our Bowser turtle pose, sitting with our legs out a little bit wide and with our knees nice and bent. We bring our hands down in front of us and we slide them underneath our legs, coming into our Bowser turtle pose. All Bowser wants to do is rule over all the kingdoms, and Princess Peach keeps getting in his way. And this time he's attacked again. Coming up to stand with our legs wide, we raise our arm all the way up, making it into a fist. He's attacked Peach's castle with a giant machine arm, folding all the way forwards to go boom. Rolling up to stand, it sends Mario flying. He lands in an acorn tree. Let's do a tree pose. Standing with our feet together, we bring one foot on top of the other using our heel and our hands together at our hearts. Now we grow up nice and tall and we open our branches wide. Wow, he's so far away in the acorn plains. let's see if we can do our tree pose on the other side. Bringing our feet back together, putting our other foot on top now, using our heel, hands together. We grow up nice and tall. Open those branches. Now, let's see if we can see Peach's castle using our cosminoculars. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Oh, look, there it is on the horizon, and it's surrounded by black smoke, which means Bowser has taken over and Princess Peach is trapped. Lowering our hands all the way down, we stand tall. Mario must be determined and courageous to save Princess Peach. And today, we will be Mario. Let's do our Mario pose again. We take our leg up, lift our arm behind, and we say, let's go! Now, off we go into the worlds, riding on our Yoshi the dinosaur. Let's do riding Yoshi pose. Coming down onto one knee, hands to our heart, we lift them up above our head. Now, Yoshi sticks his tongue out and in. Let's have a go. Very good, everyone. Now Yoshi can only get us so far before we need to get higher in the sky. And for this, we need a pink baby Yoshi who blows up like a balloon. Coming to sit on our bottoms with our legs crossed, we cup our hands around our mouth and take a big breath in through our nose. Ready? And now we blow. Wow, we've blown up our pink baby Yoshi. We stand on up, reach up with our hands, and we hold on as we float up in through the sky, through the clouds. Oh, we have to be careful. Down below are the piranha plants popping out of the pipes. Taking our feet a little bit wider, we bend our knees all the way down, join our hands together over our heads. Now we slowly rise all the way up, and we go snap, 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 like a piranha plant. Now, let's jump down onto the platform after 3. 1, 2, 3. Boing! Wow, here we are on the ground, and we have to be very careful for the Goombas. These are the little brown mushrooms with mean faces. Let's do our Goomba pose. Coming into a squat position, snuggling our arms in, making a fist, holding it with our other hand, and doing our meanest Goomba face. We have to squash these guys and jump on them like a frog. Let's do our frog hop pose. Coming up onto our tippy toes, knees wide, onto our fingers for balance. After 3, let's do a big jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wahoo! Very good, everyone. We squashed them. Coming up to stand. Now, off we go, running through the levels. Run, 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 run. We do some hopping. Hop, 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 hop. And the other leg, hop, 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 hop. We take some big steps. Ready? Big step across the platforms. Big step. 2 more. Big step. Last time. Big step. And we find lots of things which give us special powers. The super acorn turns us into flying squirrel Mario. Let's do our flying squirrel pose. Coming up to stand, we take our arms wide, we lift up our leg, and we send it all the way back behind us in our flying squirrel pose. Wahoo! Coming back to stand, let's try it on the other side. Turning to face the other way, finding a spot to focus on, we take our arms wide, lift up our foot, and send it all the way back behind us, making our legs as strong as they can be. Wahoo! Coming up to stand. The superstar makes us invincible. Let's do our star pose. Feet nice and wide, arms wide, and flickering our fingers as we go zooming through the levels. Invincible! This is amazing. We also find a penguin suit. And can you guess what that turns us into? Yes, Penguin Mario! Jumping your feet together, toes out wide, arms to the side, and let's waddle around. Waddle, 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 waddle. Off we go through the levels some more. We climb up some vines and beanstalks. Here we go. Up we go, 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 up we go. We head through Iggy's volcanic castle. Let's do our volcano pose. Coming down onto our knees, hands down in front of us. We lift all the way up as we breathe in. And we blow to the sky. Ready? And again, breathing in, lifting up. And blowing out to the sky as we lower down. We even face the fuzzy cliff-top mountains in the rock candy mines. Coming up to stand, and let's do our mountain pose. Feet hip distance apart, arms down by our sides, standing as still and powerful as a mountain. Wow, well done everyone. In the sparkling waters, we discover a shipwreck, a boat that's sunk to the bottom of the ocean. Let's do our boat pose. Sitting on our bottoms, we lift up one foot, lift up two, lift up one hand, lift up no hands, and give me a wave. Now, this shipwreck is haunted. It's full of booze, little ghosts. Let's wiggle our arms and our legs around going, ooh. And there are skeleton cheeps, fish bones. Let's do our fish pose. Sitting with our legs out long, pointing our toes. We drop down onto our elbows and we pop our chest to the sky, looking up and back behind us like a skeleton cheep. Woo! Now, we need to travel through these underwater worlds, so let's swim. We come onto our tummies and we use our arms and our legs, raising our legs up and lifting our arms as we swim through the underwater world. Uh-oh, swimming towards us are some bullet bills, which look a bit like sharks. Let's do our shark bullet bill pose, stretching our legs behind us, crisscrossing our fingers behind our back. We lift up our shark fin and we loll from side to side, going doo-dood, 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 doo-dood. The bullet bills and the torpedo Teds swim right by. Coming up to sit, we say, for you. Now, after those, we come to Peach's castle. We have made it, but it's surrounded by a tornado. Coming up to stand, everyone. Feet wide, arms wide. We spin side to side. It's a tornado of black smoke. It's black magic made by Magic Cooper, who has also turned Bowser into Super Bowser. He's now as big as a dragon and he breathes fire. Let's do our dragon pose, coming down onto one knee, crisscrossing our thumbs and lifting them up above our head. Now, let's stick out our tongues as we breathe some fire. We need to rescue Peach. We've come all this way. Let's use all the skills we've learned and defeat Bowser. We come up to stand. First, we need to jump on him 3 times. After 3, let's do 3 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing, boing, boing. Very good, everyone. Next, we need to duck down 3 times. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Ducking all the way down and up. And again, all the way down and up. Last time, all the way down and up. Wow, we're nearly there. Next, we get into Bowser Jr.'s clown car. Sitting on our bottoms, legs out long, holding onto the steering wheel. We're going over one way. And the other way. We go all the way forwards. All the way back. And now we slam forwards into Bowser. Boff! We've boffed Bowser and we've defeated him. Princess Peach is free. We come up onto one knee and we bow down towards her. Princess Peach has us stand up. She opens her arms wide and she gives us a ginormous cuddle and a kiss. Woo! It's been so exciting being Mario. Let's finish with a final Mario pose. We take our leg up, we lift up our arm, take our arm behind us, and we say, wahoo! Very good, everyone. Let's take a moment now to lie down and relax, coming onto our backs, making our legs and arms long. It's lovely just to stop for a moment after such an amazing adventure. It's so much fun, Super Mario. Such a fun game. Mario has to be determined and brave to face all those enemies and strange places. We feel very proud to have been Mario today. All the things that we learnt along the way that kept us moving forward. And every time we made a mistake, we learnt from it. This is why making mistakes is actually quite a good thing. Because when we make them, we can notice what went wrong and we can know what to do different next time. That's how we learn. It's how we improve and it's how we get better. So, now we take a moment just to rest and enjoy this stillness. Slowly we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes, wiggling our fingers. We hug our knees into our chest and we open up our eyes. We roll onto our sides and press ourselves up to sit. And we finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word. Let's bring our hands together at our hearts. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, well done everyone. You were great in the Super Mario adventure. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.